Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install MongoDB in Windows system. For that, simply come up with the Chrome browser and type here MongoDB download for Windows. Then simply click on this link and simply we are going to download here MongoDB community server. See, here is available package as MSI and simply click on download. It will start with the download. Depends on your internet speed, it will take some time. See, MongoDB, it is a NoSQL database. Like it stores data in flexible JSON-like document. JSON means like key value pair available there. There are lots of features available in MongoDB versus SQL. And definitely we are going ahead with the deep dive into those features also. See, MongoDB downloaded successfully. Now simply click on download window and simply go to the show in folder. Yeah, we are just going to show in folder. Once it open, then we'll start with the installation process. Yeah, here is it. Hmm. Then simply open it and just double click. It will start with the installation process there. Click on next. Accept the terms and conditions here. Again next. I want to do here complete setup. Then again click on next. Next. Install. See, it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes for installation process. Then meanwhile, I will just highlight here MongoDB features. See, MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores data in flexible JSON-like document, like key value pair available there. See, what are the key features in MongoDB? Like this is document oriented, stores data in JSON format. Then see, this is schema less, no fixed schema, flexible data structure available here. MongoDB always gives us the high performance, like great for fast read and write operations. And this is very scalable, easy to scale horizontally, and this is rich queries, like powerful query using JSON-like syntax. And in SQL, there is available table, but MongoDB, we are just going to consider as a collections. In SQL, there is available rows. In MongoDB, we are considering as a documents. In SQL, there is available columns. We'll consider here as a fields. And SQL supposed to joins. MongoDB supports embedded documents like lookup table you can simply consider. And SQL is a structure schema, and MongoDB it is a dynamic schema. And MongoDB also open source, and this is very lightweight actually. And it supports JSON structure. It means key value. Then whatever your Spring Boot application, right? If you're passing like JSON structure, we are able to process data within database actually directly. Like this is very scalable. We are going to consider and lightweight also. If you want to check like how the JSON structure, I will simply highlight here JSON structure as well. See, EMP ID, this is the key and the value is 121. EMP name as a key, value as Sora. EMP seller as a key and the value is 97,000.96. This is the value. Like key value pair available. And JSON, the extension also we have given here, JSON itself. Till like it's taking some time for installation process, we need to wait. Hmm. There are lots of like benefits if you are working with the MongoDB, like performance wise MongoDB is very efficient. And for graphical user interface, we have available MongoDB Compass as well. This is, you can simply say, GUI tool for managing the MongoDB. Even like if you want to use CLI, right, MongoShell also available there actually. And like real-time usage, suppose if you are working with the e-commerce application and if you manage like user profile, then such data you can go ahead with the MongoDB. If you are working with any CRUD applications, then also you can go to the MongoDB, like user profiles, product catalog, blog, post, etc. Right? We'll prefer to use MongoDB. Chat and messaging applications also like real-time perspective will prefer to use MongoDB. If you're working with the IoT Internet of Things data storage, then also MongoDB is very suitable. And right, nowadays mobile application also very like popular. Then if you're working with the mobile app, then database perspective, MongoDB is very efficient such a case as well. Like if you don't have like very complex data structure, then you can simply go to the MongoDB because MongoDB is very efficient as a performance wise. Yeah, looks installation it takes some few minutes. We need to wait actually to get it complete. Once it complete, then I will highlight the MongoDB Compass also. There we are going to create the database, and once we create the database, I will highlight how we are going to create the collection. And in collection, whatever JSON I already showed you in screen, right? This JSON we are just going to import it. Then you will be able to see the key value pair in MongoDB as a JSON structure. That will be like great benefits those who are new in MongoDB. In industry, there is available two type of database. One is SQL and the second one is NoSQL. SQL there is available PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, and so on. Same thing like NoSQL, we have available MongoDB. This is open source. There is one more available DynamoDB, but DynamoDB is not the open source. This is coming from Amazon, right? AWS. But MongoDB is open source and free to use. Still, it's taking some time actually for installing the MongoDB Compass. If you are facing any difficulties to install any software in full stack development, feel free to add your comments in comment box. I will check it and get back to you with the solutions. Then upcoming sessions, I will go ahead with the deep dive into Spring Boot with MongoDB. You will get like more learning curve. At least 2-3 projects also we are going to cover up using MongoDB. And MongoDB is very easy for learning and if you are using as a database here. We were just waiting to finish it as soon as possible. Once it finish, then we'll simply go ahead with the MongoDB Compass. This is the graphical user interface where we are going to create database. Then in that database, we are going to create the collection, and in collection, I will import the existing JSON file directly. In real time, what happens? You are going to work on like Spring Boot application, right? And whatever request payload we are passing from Postman Swagger, it will be persisting as it is into MongoDB database. This is like JSON structure. You can simply say key value pair available there. And if you want to fetch, again this is key value pair, it means JSON structure. Easily we are able to fetch it from database and passing response to our APIs directly, right? In the front end, they will be able to consume this response as a JSON structure. And JSON, it means JavaScript object notation. It's very lightweight. And that's why like if you're working with e-commerce, banking applications, if they're following microservice architecture for the user management, customer management, product management, they prefer to use MongoDB as a database storage. The reason behind that, whatever request payload we are uploading JSON, it insert as it is into our database because whatever request payload we are passing JSON, MongoDB also expecting their JSON structure itself. That's why it gives us the efficient and faster performance. See, this is like one time step like installation process. Once it finish, then always you can simply go ahead and open the Compass and use MongoDB directly. Yes, MongoDB Compass is being installed. It will launch once it is done. Now we are just waiting to See the graphical user interface here. Yes, see one screen, there is available graphical user interface. Now you can simply click on finish and simply start with the compass here, right? Yeah, I will simply come back to here and just click on add new connection. Here is the connection. Just click on save and connect. Connection established successfully. Once connection is established, right, then we'll simply come up with the local and we're just going to create the collection here. But if you want to create database, then we have option available here, localhost. This is the port number like 27017. You can simply click on that, create the database. I am creating database as a HRMDB. And the collection, I'm giving here collection name as a employee. Then simply create database. See, our database is created as HRMDB. Inside that available collections employee, and this is empty collection here, no data, right? This collection has no data. Now we are just trying to add data there. For adding data, you can simply click on add data and just import the JSON. See, in my local in downloads, I already created the JSON there, employee.json. I'm just going to double click on that and click on import. See, the JSON is imported successfully here. Perfect. Yes. Again, if you want to add some more data here, right, then you can simply add the list of data also there. I'm just passing here 122. The name of employee I'm passing here Lakshmi. In the salary we are just adding here 5 lakh 0.96. Save it. Again we are just trying to import it. Just click on add data, import this JSON and just click on import. See, this is the first like object you can simply say for Sora, and the second we have available here Lakshmi. And this is key value pair available there. Like key is AMP ID value as 121. Key as AMP name value as Sora. Like such a way we have done with our installation session. But if you want to update here some data, right, suppose we are just trying to update here Lakshmi, like last name here, you will be able to update it. Lakshmi suppose AA, just click on update. Here data goes to update there. If you want to delete, that also possible, simply click on delete here. Fine. Yeah, then entire process done for the installation of MongoDB and the Compass. Next time you can simply go ahead and just use the MongoDB Compass directly. If I am going to close it here, right, and simply type here MongoDB Compass, it will go to open our MongoDB Compass, and there you will be able to see the existing database available there and collection also available there. First thing, you can simply connect. Once you connect, there is available our database like HRMDB collection available employee, and see the data available there. Such a way, we're done with our MongoDB installation session here. But till if you are facing difficulties, feel free to add your comment in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.